go.
Welcome back, Startling viewers, to this new video in which we're going to make a paper boomerang or an origami boomerang that actually comes back to you when you throw it. Well, here's a short clip of me using it.
Hey guys, I'm gonna throw this boomerang. Let's see if it comes back.
As you can see,
The successful boomerang.
All you need to make this boomerang is an A4 size sheet of paper. And here I am accompanied by my brother, who is also going to be making the same boomerang as I do it on the camera. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now the first thing which you have to do to make an origami boomerang is to fold the A4 size paper in half. You have to be really precise with your folds and you have to make a good crease. And after you fold it in half, you're supposed to cut it like this. So I'll just demonstrate folding it in half. Have to have really good creases. And crease hard. And then just cut the paper into two halves. You'll have two pieces of paper like this. And now the first step is to fold this paper in half. Just like this. You have to make all your folds really precise. Then just run your nails across the folds. And now you'll see that we have a fully complete crease right in the middle over here. And now what you have to do is to fold both of these edges and just leave like a little bit of space right in the middle, like a 1mm or 2mm gap. Make sure to make all your folds really precise and correct, as it makes the boomerang fly better. And now just run your nail across the fold. And do the same for the other side. And run your nail against this fold too. Now as you can see, we have a really small gap on the middle right here, which will be handy when we fold the paper like this. And now what you have to do is to fold this paper in half and give it a nice little crease with your nails. And then fold the paper open and then fold this in half now. And now while you're doing it, be sure to take your finger and round it out a little bit, as it'll make things a lot easier. And make sure to make this fold precise. And now just rub your nail against the fold. And now open it up. And now as you can see, when you open it up, you'll have a perfect fold right here. And if you want, you can also crease it out a little bit again. And then now what you have to do is to fold this part towards the center crease right here, like that. And now make sure to hold your hands like this so that the paper doesn't slip away. And now I'm holding my hands like this, and then I'm folding this crease. Yeah, just like that. And be sure to run your fingernail against all of these creases. Now as you can see, it's folded towards the middle, and now do the same thing with the other side. Hold the bottom end of the paper really tight and then just fold the other side the same way. And now crease it really hard, both of the sides. And now once you're done that, what you can do is to open this up and reverse fold it on the same side. So just like that, just reverse fold it, and this one too, do the same thing and crease it really hard with your nails. And now just open the boomerang up. And now you just open this flap up. And then as you can see, we have a diamond over here, or a square, with a middle crease. Just take this long crease and now just fold it towards this end right here. And then once you're done that, just fold this whole piece over here. And this automatically folds like that if you have good creases on. And then what you can do is to lift this thing up and then just put this white piece in and make this pocket open and just put it in. And now just be sure to make sharp creases, and then as you can see it automatically folds up. And now as you can see we almost have made a full boomerang. If you want you can just rewind that part a little back, because that part was just I think a little bit confusing. If you watch it once more I think you'll get it. It's really easy if you have really good creases on, as the paper just automatically folds. And now to do the centerpiece, this is how it goes. Now just take that long diagonal edge right over here. Just bring the paper a little closer. Yeah. Just take the long diagonal edge and now fold it towards this edge right here. And now after that, just fold this part back into the slot. And then fold this part back. As you can see, if you have really good creases on the paper just automatically goes in that direction. And now what you have to do is just flap up this fold right here and now put this back in. And now as you can see you have a small pocket right here, and now just put this fold back into the pocket. And now that was the hard part in folding a boomerang. And now there are two sides to the boomerang, the one in which you just folded like this and the other side. And so it doesn't matter which side you're on, but just take the paper which has more than one layer, like over here, and then what you have to do is to just fold it like this. And so fold it like that. Yeah, just like that, and be sure to make good creases along the way. Sharp creases, rub them with your nails, and then just reverse fold the same thing. And then as you can see there's a small pocket over here, so what you can do is you can lift this paper up and you can push this in and put it like that, and you just have to repeat it for the other side. And then what you have to do here is you have to put this paper inside. So an easier way to do that is to just fold it along this way and then just do a soft crease over there, and then just put this paper inside. So just take this thing and just put that paper inside. And now be sure to make very sharp creases along this paper for the boomerang to fly well. And if it does not go fully in, just pressure the paper and just slide it in, and then just make sharp creases along the boomerang. And now do the same thing for the other side. And now for the other side, leave the one piece paper, and this time you can see there are two pieces on both sides, so just do it on this side, which is the right side, and then just do the same folds. The fold should be precise, and then run your nail across the folds, and then just reverse fold the same thing just like that, and run your nails. And then as you can see the same thing happens, and then just lift this little piece apart and then just push this fold in, and then as you can see the pocket is created. And then what you have to do is to just crease. What you have to do is to just put this paper inside that pocket. So an easy way to do that is to just fold it along this edge, then crease it with your nails, and then you can do is just put this pocket inside. And now an easy way to do that is to just open this up a little bit like that, and then just put it in like that. And now you can just make some hard creases on the boomerang on all sides. Just make some hard creases on all sides of the boomerang. And then as you can see, now we have a fully functional boomerang. And now my brother has also done the same. And now this is how you make an origami boomerang, or a paper boomerang that actually comes back when you throw it. And now how you throw this boomerang is you have to take the side that has one cut edge, not the other side, the side which is open cut edges like this one. And then you have to hold it like this, and then just add a little bit of spin and angle it upwards a little on release, and then throw it. And then it'll spin and then it'll come back to you. You can also stick these two boomerangs, if you make two of them, just with glue on the edge right here. It does not matter which edge you stick it on, just throw it like this. This also works. Guys, if you want to learn to make a transforming ninja star or a flapping bird, just smash like. We'll do it if you get 30 likes, and comment down below which one do you want, the flapping bird or the transforming ninja star.
Now I'm going to test the quadruple sided boomerang.
It's just two boomerangs joined together with glue, as we told earlier. Well, let's see if it comes back.
The real test starts. As you can see, it just came back.
And now let's see if you can throw two boomerangs simultaneously and catch them. As you can see, both of the boomerangs come back, but it's hard to catch them. So that is a successful throw. Well, that's all we have time for today, guys. This is how you make an origami boomerang. Well, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video and also share it to all of your friends. Well, click here to view another video and click over here to subscribe. Well, that's it for today, guys. Have a great time.